In the vast landscapes of Africa, ancient giants face an uncertain future. African elephant populations have declined by 77% over the last 50 years. These intelligent, family-oriented creatures, which are vital architects of their ecosystems, are under increasing threat. Habitat loss, driven by human expansion and climate change, is pushing elephants into conflict with people. Poaching continues to endanger their survival. Now, more than ever, they need our protection. The Elephant Conservation and Research Fund believes that saving elephants requires more than good intentions. It requires strong science and bold action. We support cutting-edge research that informs effective conservation strategies, from assessing critical elephant population movement and patterns to mitigating human-elephant conflict. Our work includes preserving critical habitats, advancing elephant welfare, and forming lasting conservation initiatives. Through sustainability-based approaches, we partner with local communities who share their lands with elephants, creating solutions that protect wildlife while supporting people. The Elephant Conservation and Research Fund is already making an impact through supporting organizations like Bring the Elephant Home, which uses a community-based approach to elephant conservation in Thailand and research in South Africa, and through pioneering projects such as the Elephant Rewilding Reserve, done in collaboration with the Elephant Reintegration Trust, that reintegrates captive elephants back into the wild. When science guides conservation, elephants thrive, habitats are restored, communities prosper, and future generations inherit a world where elephants roam free. Join us in securing a future for wild elephants. Your donation directly funds the scientific research, conservation action, and community partnerships that are making a difference. Together, we can ensure elephants continue to walk the earth for generations to come.